Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the similar and the difference between Odoo and SAP. So let's talk about the difference. SAP are more complicated for people how to use, so they need to know about the skill and the code in order to work well. And also SAP may work for some larger companies, so they have lots of data. They can collect a lot of data. So for the Odoo is very Odoo is more simple for people to use because you can set up the website or which you can do on the SAP, and you can also learn by yourself. It's very easy to use. And let's talk about the similar. They both have the inventory, so you can create the order for the customer in both software, and you can also create the inventory and check the inventory level in both. So they have lots of similar, and also they can do the purchase for the customer, and they can check the customer information, so those that they can do on both software. More, they all doing for helping business to create the order process and the payment process and the inventory for the customer. So those are the same for them. Okay, that's for now, and hope you have a good day. Thank you.